Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the automation anywhere architecture and what is the bot creator and what is the bot runner. Okay, so let me log into the control room. So this is the content that we are going to cover in this video. So basically, what is the architecture for the automation anywhere? So if you consider the architecture, so there are different components of the architecture such as control room, and in the control room we have different dashboards such as automation, then AI. Under AI we have document automation, then under activity like in progress, historical, and like user management under the admin, and device management under the manage package, the global values. So this is all about the control room, the dashboard, the activities, bots. And if you see this community edition or the automation anywhere, so it is fully on the cloud. So all the bots that we have developed so will be stored in the control room. It's a own repository. So anywhere we go and log into our control room, so we will be able to access to our bots from anywhere. So all this has to be stored somewhere. So that is what the database comes into picture, where all your bots will be stored. Again, the user and the license management. So that will be the part that will be taken care in the manage tab and the administration tab. So this is for the control room, and the architecture also covers the bot creator, which will be at the developer side, and the bot runner. So we are so let's discuss the concept of creator and the runner. So whenever we are navigating to the automation tab under the and under that particular tab, we can navigate to the any folder, and we can able to create the task bot. So whenever we have a role of creator, that means we are able to create and edit the existing task bot. So this comes in the picture where we have private repository. So let me note down this. So in the private repository, so where we can able to edit and create the task bot. So it is by default in the community edition control room. And what is bot runner? So runners are the devices which are dedicatedly used for running the automations or the bots that we have already created in the private repository. And in the runner or the bot runner, so we will not be able to edit the code. We can just see the code and we can execute it. So that is the major difference. In the private repository we can edit the code, and in public we cannot. We can just see the code. So let me update this. And this public repository you cannot see in the community edition, as there is no option for the runner, as you can see that in the only in the enterprise edition. It's a paid one. So that is the concept of bot creator and the runner. So this all comes under the concept of control room architecture. And also we have the concept of device pool. So device pool is nothing but we can say if we have 2 to 3 runners, and we have already created some of the bots or the processes, and we want to run those on the particular, let's say runner 1, 2 or 3, any or the available runner or any specific runner. So we can create the device pool under the administration tab. So currently I will not be able to show it in the community edition. So there you can add all these 2 to 3 runners in that particular list, and you can create the device pool, and this device pool will be used when you are scheduling the bots. Scheduling the bots like any particular specific time, date time, or recurring in terms of every 1 hour, half an hour, or every 4 hours, weekdays, weekends. So everything we can set. So this is all about, we can say, the control room architecture and the concept of creator and the runner. So in shortly, if you can summarize this, the control room will be used to overall management of all the users, the bots, and the license management, everything. For the bot creator, where we edit the code, and it is in the in the private repository. And for the bot runner, so it's a public repository where we can only see the code. And in the bot creator, that is private repository, we can edit the code. And device pool will be used for scheduling of the bots, where we have the dedicated runners. So this is all about the control room overview. Thank you.